fix the internal server error of your WordPress site if it's caused by a corrupted htaccess file. One possible explanation is to have a typo that the server doesn't understand what you mean, or another option might be that you're using a module that's not active just yet, or it's not enabled in the Apache configuration. That's why you will see directives such as if module and then the module name and then the commands or rules in between. That way we ensure that if that module is active, then we can use its features, which makes sense. In our case, it was a typo. Instead of setting environment properly, I accidentally added a letter, which should fix the issue. But how to find the error message? You need to check the web server's log files just for that specific site and scroll down to the very end. Or sometimes error log viewers, they show the last 300 rows, so you should be able to see the error message right away. If you want to learn more about WordPress and try plugins or themes, check out the ipsandbox.net.